We're about to take off on a road trip to Canada from Atlanta. We'll be leaving here shortly and we'll be driving up somewhere in Pennsylvania probably on the way up, and then over to Niagara Falls and into Canada there. Um, we're planning to go to Quebec if we can make it there, if there's no issues with weather, car, or anything like that. We should be okay. And then we'll come back down the east coast of the U.S. and back to Atlanta. Our trip to Canada got a couple of little snags. The first one was we stopped a little bit shorter than we thought, well below Pittsburgh. Now we made it to Buffalo, and our COVID test to get into Canada was supposed to be within 24 hours. We're past that 24-hour point, so we had to go get more tests done, and we're waiting for that to happen before we can cross over into Canada. So right now we're standing at Niagara Falls on the American side, and across the water is Canada. I look a little rough, I know. It was a long day yesterday, last 2 days. We left Atlanta at 2 o'clock on Friday, 2 p.m. Drove until about 1 in the morning near Pittsburgh, well, in West Virginia. Then we came up yesterday through Pennsylvania, up into New York, and went by Niagara Falls, and we were wanting to cross over into Canada to go to Toronto, but unfortunately our COVID test had not come back yet. So we were waiting on that. Unfortunately, there was a delay. We either lost an email or something, but as we made a decision to just go ahead and head towards Syracuse and then cross over on this side, give a little more time for the test to come in, we also went ahead and got another test while we were in Syracuse just as a backup. In Buffalo. So about half an hour after we made the decision to leave Buffalo and head towards Syracuse, we got our test results finally came in. So we were able to cross if we wanted to at that point, or we could wait until going through Syracuse. So we decided we already booked in Syracuse, so let's just go this route, and it'll give us a little more time to see maybe Ottawa and Quebec City before heading back down through Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, back to Atlanta. It's still all up in the air, but let's see what's going on, and we're filling out our paperwork for online app for crossing into Canada, and we'll be leaving shortly to go to the border, just get cleaned up a little bit and load the car and get ready to head out. We did book a hotel last night. The name of the place had a similar name to a major chain. Unfortunately, it did not say motel at the end like it does on the sign out front here, up on top of the hill. So we got here, it's like, okay. It ends up, it is a motel. It is a take back to the, probably the 50s or 60s. That's what it feels like, but the inside's been updated a little bit. So it's not as eerie as it felt like when we came rolling in about midnight last night, 11:30. So, but we're gonna load up in a minute and start the process over to get over to Canada and do the Canadian adventure.